Hey friends, welcome back to the Maple Leaf Barn. I'm Libby and surprise! We are expecting baby number 2 at Christmas. It's a boy, so I wanted to just let you guys know, if you've been wondering why I've been so MIA, that's why. I haven't been feeling that great, but it is the 4th of July weekend and I thought I would get on and share a little bit about a bouquet I am making for a friend. She's fighting cancer and I just wanted to show some love this 4th of July weekend. It's been really difficult to keep up with the videos because I haven't felt well, and especially in the morning. So it's usually when I record videos during the morning, and evenings are just really difficult to record as well because I have a toddler and we're trying to do bedtime and all that kind of stuff. So anyways, thanks for sticking around with us and just enjoying the process. I know our videos haven't been incredibly consistent on a daily, weekly basis, but hopefully we'll get to that point one day. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and follow along with us as we build our micro farm. So I don't know about you, but when you go to the grocery store around the 4th of July, you see the flowers that are dyed red and blue, and it just loses all authenticity. And so I am wanting to put together a little 4th of July bouquet for myself and then also for a friend of mine. I also am struggling because I don't have any blue flowers. I didn't buy any from the store either. So I am going to just use what I have in the garden and create a really fun 4th of July bouquet. And it's not going to scream red, white, and blue, but I think it'll still send the message that we're celebrating the United States and the birth of our country and all that kind of fun stuff. So I'm going to show you what I'm collecting from the garden and put it together for you. Let's go cut some flowers. First, I'm going to start off with some of our Costa Silver Snapdragons because these guys are nearly on the way out in our area and I want to actually tear them out and plant new Snapdragons. So we're gonna go ahead and use some of these. Next up, we do have a few of the red that are coming in, although I have a couple I already harvested, so we'll go ahead and cut these. Lavender is purple, not blue. But we're just going to stick some of this in the bouquet because it smells delicious and it kind of has a little blue tint to it. So what you do when you harvest lavender is just come all the way down to that first set of leaves closest to the bush and you take it. It should look kind of like this. And then you'll harvest that. All right, here we go. And the bees are loving it. Look at that. They're so happy. So many bees. Okay, I'm also going to harvest some 9 bark because it's definitely a good filler and it has a reddish, deep red tint to it. Okay, here we go. Hi Leo, how you doing? Hi Leo, how you doing, girlfriend? Yeah, you want some pets? You want to smell the lavender? No? Okay. Okay, so here is my Artemisia Bush. This one is called the Silver Mound Mugwort, I believe. And it kind of has a silvery blue green tone to it. So we're going to use this as part of our filler as well. We're also going to do some of the Rudbeckia. They're coming in, they look so good. Just to give you a little close up, look at those, and the variety difference in just these two are really cool. So we'll put a couple of these in there. Also, we're going to add some of the celosia. However, instead of using this one with the green, I'm actually going to be using this with the red foliage. This is actually called cherry, and so is this. So I'm not really sure why some of them have purple/red foliage and some have green. But also, look how cool this one is. This one looks different than the rest of them. So we'll add some celosia. We're also gonna put in some cosmos. This is the white cupcake, and it actually should have been harvested earlier. This is actually too late, technically, to harvest, although I still would cut it. This stage is a pretty good stage to get going, but let me show you. This is just starting to open. That's a good one. And then this one is the best, because you can see the bud is already starting to open. That's when you actually want to harvest a cosmos. So we'll grab a few of these white cosmos. We will be putting some basil in the bouquet just for a good smell. This is a good one, or the purple basil, and then the cinnamon basil is over there. But oh man, you guys, the smell of this is amazing. It makes the bouquet just you know. We're also gonna throw in some mint for a nice texture and another great smelling fragrance. And we're gonna put in this white light sunflower. You guys, it's absolutely stunning. I already had harvested this, so yay, she's gonna be our little focal point. Okay, we're back with the flowers, and I'm gonna start off with this ProCut white light, and it's gonna kind of be the center. Sorry for the toddler crying. He wants to go play in the sprinkler, but he also wants me to go get wet also in the sprinkler, and I don't really want to. Okay, we're gonna start off with this sunflower, and I took all the other ones off, but yeah. Okay, go play. Looks like I'm gonna have to mute this and just show you the process and do a voiceover because we're very upset. Okay friends, here is the finished bouquet. We got a lot of fun stuff in here, and I will make sure that's all listed below in case you missed it. But I'm going to go ahead and head out and go deliver this to our sweet friend. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.